Hello, YouTube. It's your main man BTM here, bringing you back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. We live. We're doing it all live, but this is the second live stream of the day, and this is for KRC20 tokens. I usually only do one stream a day, but I kind of wanted to say something about Kaspa and the Kaspa tokens. So I wanted to get that out today because people are wigging out behind Kaspa, and KRC20 is actually very similar. I don't know why my nose is itching. Very similar to Kaspa. So KRC20 is actually built on Kaspa. So I just wanted to make sure we got the word out about the Kaspa isn't going anywhere. Kaspa's not dead. And of course, I changed shirts. What's up, BT? I'm tripping. What's up, Texas Crypto? What's up, BTM? Now, how are you doing? I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. And yes, this is KRC20. And if you saw the video earlier, trying to stop some of the Casper FUD because people are wigging out. But like I said in the video earlier, you guys got to relax. You got to and keep your convictions on your plate, right? You can't give up now. And the reason Caspa is down because Marathon is selling the crypto they're mining, they're not holding it, right? And like I was saying, in the summer and the spring, people were like, you might be ignoring me or new to crypto. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this, guys, right? And I told you there might be some black swan event that happens or something that keeps Caspa from pumping. It's a long-term play. It is not an overnight play. Like I was telling people, they're like, you know what you're talking about? We're going to be millionaires by the end of the year or by October. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs, it's actually November. But I told you guys, gotta be patient, man. You can't put all your eggs in one basket. You gotta diversify. The name of the game is diversify, diversify, diversify. And I just realized, okay, no, I'm tripping. So yeah, let's go to the Twitter and see what's going on for KRC20 tokens. Casper's the Army, better yet the Navy. Shout out to the Air Force and Elon Musk ever get it together, the Space Force. Casper's going to the moon, baby. And like I was telling you, it's got to come down for us to pick it up. So don't forget to check out the BTM Twitter page. Sign up, like, share, and subscribe so you'll stay current on live streams and updates. So this is Conan of Casper. I'm trying to get the mic situated. It's like the mic is always in the way. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit us up with the super chat. So Conan of Casper, when they announced it, you know it's real. Good morning, crypto enthusiasts. Exciting news. Conan of Casper is launching on Coin X. And what is Coin X? Everybody is talking about Coin X. But shout out to CoinX for listing these KRC20 tokens. And as somebody mentioned in the earlier live stream, KRC20 tokens are doing better than Casper, which is weird because I thought with the tokens going, Casper would go up. But it was the same thing on Solana. The Solana tokens took off first, and then the price of Solana started going up. So again, guys, Kaspa is a long-term play. Be patient. And people were saying it's too late to get in. Now is your perfect opportunity because the price is down almost a record low, right? If you wanted to get in and Kaspa, now is your chance. And of course, we'll do it around 9 o'clock
they like some of my
10
other
o'clock,
debate, but
maybe
I don't
10:30.
understand
The
why
reason I do it
being
because I'm running
against
around with the
Bitcoin is like
kids,
being against
and
cell phones.
once I
It's
get
like
back
being against
with
AI. It's
the
like
kids,
being against
I
laptops.
can go
It's a
ahead and
technology.
set
You
up
have
the
laws and
live. It's
regulation on
easier
the
later,
technology, but it's a
and we
technology
seem
can
to
be
be picking up
depreciated from about $10,000 to $80,000.
people
You've got
from
people like
other
Michael Saylor
countries
who's made
late at night
billions of
anyway,
dollars
so it kind of
on that
works out.
appreciation. And I don't want all that
See
value and
here,
wealth
I
to be
know
made
what's going
outside the
on, what
United States. I
is
want the
going
United
on. There we
States to
go.
be part of
Caspa,
that wealth
current
generation,
Caspa
and for
price is
people
actually
who have
up
assets to have that
1.6%,
opportunity here and to have those
2.7 billion
jobs
market
here.
cap to
And that
11
should be a
cents.
bipartisan message.
I mean, going back
Actually,
to the point
almost
that
the
you made a
same
moment
price
ago,
as
that it shouldn't
Turbo.
be a softer approach, it should be a smarter approach. There was this open letter to the
Interesting.
DNC
Let me
asking for
close
a
that
softer
out and get
approach
back
on
to
digital
Twitter.
assets. What do you think of that
So
letter?
this
Well, this is
is
for a smarter
Conan of
approach on assets
Caspa's
because of
coin
the
store.
FIT21,
This is the live
FIT21
stream
that
from
Patrick McHenry
earlier
wrote
about
says, here's what
Caspa.
the SEC should
So
be
this
regulating.
is
Here's what the
actually this
CFTC
is the
should be
current live
regulating.
stream.
Very few
Interesting.
people are for pure
You will
libertarianism. It
remember
should
the
be
time when you
regulated,
didn't
but there
buy
needs to be
Cas or
clarity. And the
Caspy.
problem
Your
has been that there
future
hasn't been
self
that
will regret it.
clarity,
I'm
and
just
it's
saying,
been
it's not
policy
financial
based
advice.
on
This is just for
executive
entertainment
lawsuits. That's
purposes.
not how you make
Don't have
policy.
your
We
future
need to look
self
at what
regret
Europe
it.
has done,
And
what
this
other
is
countries have
Cas,
done.
and I like
The
this
Europeans have a
Caspy
clear
logo,
regulatory
right? It's
framework,
kind of like
and we should say that financial
three-legged
innovation is
cat.
going to be
I don't
here.
know who came up with that, but that's
Okay,
actually
that's all for
brilliant.
Crypto World today. We'll be
Like
back
I was
again
saying
tomorrow, and we'll
in our
see you then.
debate yesterday, I think Caspy will be one of the bigger movers in KRC20. So it's Conan, Caspy, and Nacho. Some people are saying maybe Casper, but I don't know. I'm still putting my money in Conan, Caspy, and Nacho. So let me know what you guys think about that as well. Don't forget to like,
Today,
share, and
Bitcoin
subscribe, and
stabilizes
hit us
after
up with
yesterday's
the super
sell-off.
chat.
Grayscale
So
Zach
this is
Pandel discusses
Caspy's
the asset
coming
manager's new
to
Bitcoin mini trust, which began trading in the U.S. this morning.
Moo.
And Wyoming Senator
Yes.
Cynthia Lummis discusses her draft
Mexi.
bill that would direct the U.S. to buy 1
Like
million
Moose,
Bitcoin
Mexi.
over 5 years.
Kind of funny, but kind of corny. Caspy, the meme token built on Kaspa
Welcome to
blockchain, is
CNBC's
coming
Crypto World.
to
I'm Talia Kaplan.
Mexi
Cryptocurrencies are
Kickstarter.
settling after investors
Well,
pushed
it's Mexi
prices lower
Kickstarter.
yesterday.
That's
By
what I'm
noon
saying.
Eastern,
It's like
Bitcoin
they
inched
keep
just
opening
slightly
more
higher
and
to
more
$66,361. Ether dipped
exchanges to
about
kind of
0.6%
dilute the
just
exchange.
above
I don't know.
$3,400,
And this
while
is
Solana
GOAT.
sat
A lot of people
exactly
talking
at
about GOAT, but not a lot of
$180.
people
At the
investing in
time
it.
of these prices, investors were
Crypto
awaiting the latest
review
interest rate decision from the
GOAT. So I
Fed.
wonder if they
As
have other
anticipated,
reviews
the central
here.
bank decided to keep rates
Let's check out
unchanged.
crypto review and see
81% of
what other
respondents to CNBC's latest Fed survey see
KRC20
the central
tokens
bank
are
cutting
talking
rates
about.
for the first time in
And
September,
while they do
while
have
86% see a second cut
other
happening in December.
coins.
Okay, sticking with markets as we take a look at today's
Bobcat,
top stories. The Grayscale Bitcoin Mini Trust, the crypto asset manager's
trying
newest
to
Bitcoin
see
ETF with a much lower fee than
if they
GBTC,
have
started
any
trading
of
this morning
our
following SEC approval. I spoke with Zach
tokens
Pandel, head
on
of
my
research at
list
Grayscale Investments,
aside.
about the new product, as well as recently launched
Oh,
spot
wow.
Ether
And
ETFs.
it doesn't seem like they
A
do.
big day for
I'll
Grayscale with the
remember
launch
to
of the
come back
Bitcoin
to my
Mini Trust. Now
phone.
we'll get
Yeah.
some more on that
I'll
in
come
just a
back and
bit. But
check these
first,
guys out
taking a look
later.
at
We
markets,
go
we're
back
seeing a bit
to
of a rebound
the
for Bitcoin as of around noon
Twitter
Eastern. But
page.
yesterday, the
Everyone who signed
cryptocurrency's
up for
price
Twitter
retreated to the
and keeping the
$66,000
Twitter
level
page
following
cranking.
Monday's rally
If
when
you like
Bitcoin
it,
was
I
trading
love
less
it.
than
Go.
$100 away from the $70,000
This is
mark.
kind of the
Now, this
Caspa.
week's
Someone's
moves
ready to
happening
break
as investors were
the
digesting
matrix,
several political
even with the
developments,
markets being
including
bearish.
Republican presidential
We
nominee
are
Donald
number one
Trump's speech at
24-hour
Bitcoin
trading
2024
volume.
in Nashville over the
If you think
weekend,
that's
and
impressive,
looked
wait
ahead to
until
central bank
we
meetings
list
happening
all
this week,
three
including
exchanges
the Fed
that
meeting
we
today.
paid
Now, we're speaking
in
before the
full
Fed decision,
already.
but
The
what would you
potential
say
is
is driving
limitless,
crypto markets right
and one day
now, and
we will
what are you paying
be
attention to?
Well, thanks, Talia. I mean, it's really all of those macro trends that are most important.
pulling
And this is just
in
a huge moment
Dogecoin
for Bitcoin
token
and for crypto collectively. You have
numbers as we chase
Bitcoin has
down
come
the
to Washington
name
as part of
of
the U.S. presidential election debate. Obviously, former President Trump has given a strong embrace to
Caspa
Bitcoin and the industry, but
crypto.
Democratic Party leaders may
So is
also be
Warren
shifting
Kitty
stance.
a
Aspects of the Trump platform may
KRC20
have
token,
implications
or
for
you mean
Bitcoin.
just
Both
Roaring Kitty?
President Trump and his running mate J.D. Vance have in the past
I think
called for a
Warren
weaker
Cody, so that
dollar
must be KRC.
to support domestic
Caspa
manufacturing. That's the kind of
DAO
thing that could
The
also
winner
support
of the
Bitcoin over
low-bill
time.
comp is
And as you
Chris
said, the Fed looks ready to cut interest
with
rates.
180
Bitcoin
legitimate
competes with
votes.
the U.S.
This will
dollar in
now
international
represent the
markets. So lower
Kaspa
interest rates tend to be negative for the
DOE.
dollar and positive for Bitcoin. So this
Hey,
type of macro economic environment
interesting.
is the reason that
This
people
is
own
something
Bitcoin in the first
about
place, and we're thrilled
caspy
to see that coming
making
together.
way into the
Thrilled to
third
be able to
listing,
offer new
and this
products in
time
this
next
market
to be
environment.
official.
Speaking of new
And
products,
this
back to your
KRC20
new
will be the
product,
next brand of
Grayscale's Bitcoin
portfolio.
Mini Trust
Shout
started
out
trading
to
today
Crypto
as a
Doctor,
spot Bitcoin ETF.
who
It's
has
essentially
the
a
biggest
spin-off of your
community.
Bitcoin ETF, which
You
started
made
trading in
150
January
extra
and
cash.
offers a
You
lower
can
fee
repeat
of
the same thing with these
0.15%. That's
projects.
compared to a
So it is
1.5% management
Nacho,
fee for
Kaspa
GBTC holders,
Coin, Bert
which
on
is
Kaspa,
significantly higher than the charge commanded by
Dog
many
Night,
ETF providers, including BlackRock and
Goats
Fidelity.
Coin,
Now, Grayscale's new
Kaspa
ETF now marks the
DAO, and
cheapest
Coin of
among spot
Kaspa.
Bitcoin ETFs.
Conan of Kaspa,
What
and I'm
prompted
rolling with Conan.
Grayscale to launch the Bitcoin Mini
Maybe,
Trust?
let's see,
What's
was
the hope for this new
Conan
product?
and Nacho.
Well, the motivation is the same motivation
And
that
Brett
the
came
company
out
has
of
had all
nowhere.
along since it got going more
This
than 10
is
years ago. And the
apparently
goal is to
3,000
give
wallets are holding
U.S.
Kaspi.
investors the
To
best
truly
possible,
celebrate this
efficient,
milestone as
regulated,
growth
safe
as
access to
being
crypto in their
organic.
brokerage accounts.
And shout
More than
out
10
to
years
Cash
ago,
Rig.
when
These guys have been hanging
BTC
in there.
got started,
I was
that
expecting a
product
bigger
and that
pump.
structure was the best
5.5
possible
of
way
Cash
to do
Rig
that
tokens
for
burned.
U.S. investors.
Every
The
burn
crypto
brings you
industry
closer
and the
stronger,
regulatory landscape
more
around it has
valuable
come a
Cash
long
Rig
way
ecosystem.
since that time.
Let's
And
keep
now we
pushing
believe that
and
we're able to offer new products,
keep
including
mining
the
and keep
BTC
building.
product,
So shout out
a
to
low fee
Cash Rig,
product designed for investors that are new
Coney
to
by
crypto, looking
Coney.
for a buy and hold
Soon by Coney
instrument.
will list
This is going to
one
be a
of
great
Kaspa
product for
with
them. And so
Tongem
we're just trying to meet
USDT
investors
trading
wherever they
here.
are, meet their needs, and provide a full suite
Nacho,
of
let's
products
see what's
for
in store
investors
for
to
today.
access crypto
It's actually
in a
in
regulated and
store
safe
very, very
way. And so
soon.
GBTC will
Registered
be
now.
suitable for some
Let's see what
investors,
this
and our
one
new
store
BTC
is
product,
we're
I think,
talking.
suitable for many
Don't forget
more.
to like, share, and
And I would just
subscribe.
mention we did exactly the
And let's
same
get to the
strategy
numbers.
for
So
Ethereum. We have
Conan
a
is down 5%
long-standing
on
Ethereum
the
product,
day,
the
which is
Grayscale
good
Ethereum Trust,
because it was
the
down
largest Ethereum
like
investment
12,
vehicle in the
15%
world. We
yesterday.
also
So
did a
came
spin
back
off of that product, and so have a
1.1
low-fee
million trading
version
volume,
for
market
Ethereum
cap
under ticker
5.4
ETH. So
million.
it couldn't really be simpler and
Tango
easier
is
for investors to
1.1
get brokerage
million
account access to
trading volume,
crypto, ticker
4.1
BTC,
million
for
market cap, up
Bitcoin, ticker
61%.
ETH for
Not
Ethereum.
those
These are going to be great
51.8
products for investors that are
million.
new to the industry.
It's up.
Now, of course, this month,
Or
the
it's at
first spot
1
Ether
million
ETFs hit the US. Grayscale spent years building a
volume
trust that
today, and you
holds
can
more than
see
$9
here
billion
Tango's
worth of
only been
Ether.
out 38
And now the
days,
trust has been
and it's at
converted to
5
an
million.
ETF and is one of
Tango's been out
two
9
the firm
days.
offers.
I think Kango
Now that the
is
SEC
a
cleared the way
chameleon.
for these products, there's competition
Nacho's
from
been
other
out
asset managers,
122
including
days.
BlackRock,
Goats
Fidelity, and
been out
VanEck, as investors can
121
turn to the
days.
products with the lowest fees. I'm
320
seeing that across the
million
board,
24-hour
spot Ether
trading
ETFs saw negative net
11
flows
million
in
market
their
cap,
first week
Bert
amid massive
3.6
outflows
million.
from the Grayscale Ethereum
It's only
Trust.
been out
Does
7
this
days.
concern you at
Bert's
all? Do you
actually
think interest in these products will
killing it.
increase as
Actually,
time
not.
goes on?
Tango's been
How
out
would you say
9 days.
Grayscale
It's been out
spot
19
Ether
days.
ETFs are performing so
Casper,
far?
the friendly ghost,
I
is
think it's been an
20.9
excellent
million market
launch.
cap
So we've
at
seen terrific volumes for these products across the group of
246,000
nine. If you compare
24-hour
them
trading volume.
to the launch of the Bitcoin
Caspy
products
is
back
right
in
on
January, volumes
Casper's
are
tail.
roughly the
Come on,
same once you
Caspy. You guys
adjust
are right
for
here. Come on.
Ethereum's lower market
20 million,
capitalization. So
$20.4
compared to
million,
market cap basis, we have basically a similar volume picture that we
$196,000,
have seen at the
24-hour
start of the year.
trading volume.
As you mentioned, we have seen some
KDOA, which is also
outflows
pumping
collectively
hard,
across the
3.5
group.
million, 192
Grayscale had a
million,
100% market share
192,000
in these products before
24-hour
this
trading volume
last
after
month,
8
and has
days.
been at this game for
Holy
more
smoly.
than 10 years. We never expected to maintain that type of
Well,
market share, as many
21.2
more traditional
million,
financial institutions are now
122
getting
days.
involved in offering crypto
Stick
investment products.
actually has a
That
percentage
being
now.
said,
It
I
didn't
am
yesterday.
thrilled with the products that we are offering to
250,000,
investors, and think we are very well
48,000
placed.
one day.
The largest product in the market today are
Wait, what?
Grayscale Ethereum Trust, ticker ETHE.
What is
This is the
It's a day
largest
old and at
AUM, highest
750.
volume
What is stick?
product in the market.
I need to check in
And
the
as you
stick.
said, the spin-off
We got
product,
stick,
ticker
Scooby,
ETH,
Pepe,
is going to
Top
be a
Cat.
lower
You know,
cost
looking at all these.
option, maybe suitable for new
I need to make a
investors
note
where buy and
about
hold strategies are most important. So we
see what
feel
the freak is going
very
on
well
with
placed.
stick.
So will
And don't forget to
Grayscale
like,
file
share,
applications
and
for other
subscribe.
crypto ETFs now that spot
And let
Ether
me know if you
ETFs
like
were
the
approved?
KRC20 shirt
Grayscale
I'm always
also has a
wearing.
Solana
I
Trust.
need to check to see
So
if
are
it's
there any
still
plans to try and
the
convert that into an ETF? In June,
website.
MEDX became the first asset manager to file an application for a spot Solana ETF in the US.
Let's
21
check to see
Shares
what else
became the
is
second
here.
issuer to file
Look
an
at
application. Where
the
does Grayscale stand in that regard? And what do you think will happen with
KRC
those
price
applications
block,
for spot Solana
KRC20
ETFs now
price
that spot
block.
Ether ETFs are
So we
trading?
have, I think
For
this
the
is
last 10
yesterday.
years, Grayscale
This
has
was
worked
yesterday.
to provide the best
Market
possible
cap, this is
crypto
today.
investment access products to
Top
U.S.
gainers,
investors in the context of the regulatory
Kaspa,
perimeter that we have
909%,
in the U.S. today. So as that regulatory
GUAC,
framework evolves,
loser,
our business will evolve
125,
with it as it has
Cast,
over
known,
time. I think
124,
over
Coon,
time,
107.
we will work
Biggest losers,
cooperatively with
Swap is down
regulators to
7%.
see the sensible
Shib A
regulation for the industry,
down
and the framework
79.
for all of these
K
assets
Gods
is going to change.
85, 80,
What that
yeah,
looks like over
85.
the next several months,
DMAG
we can't
88.
be sure.
Santa's down
Now,
96.
Pandal
Come
also
on.
discussed his outlook for GBTC
The
and his
market
message
cap,
to those concerned about outflows. You'll be able to check out
CUSDT
his
is
full interview over at
number one for market cap,
cnbc.com/cryptoworld.
which
All right,
could
let's hit
be
our main
people
story. Over
using.
the weekend,
That's what I
Wyoming
don't have.
Senator Cynthia Lummis
People
made
using.
headlines at Bitcoin 2024 in Nashville when she
Turn
previewed
your
a bill
TV
that
off.
would
I
direct
don't
the
have a
U.S.
TV
to
on.
build a strategic Bitcoin reserve. That stockpile would be 1 million Bitcoin strong
Oh,
and funded partly by
what?
revaluing the Federal Reserve's gold. This morning, we got a draft version of that crypto bill. Crypto World's Tengem reviewed the draft of the legislation and spoke
Oh
with
man, it's been on the whole time. Thanks for saying something. Um, who is this? Thanks for saying something, Wally. 16 minutes into the video. I'm glad you said so. I didn't even know. That's weird. That's weird. The whole time it's been playing. Thanks for that. Nacho is number 2 in market cap. Caspy is number 3. Casper is 4, and Goat is 5. Wonder how long that TV's been playing. Kind of weird. Top 5 token by 24-hour volume. Sticks number 1. KDAO is number 2. Kango is number 3. Nacho's number 4, and Bert is number 5. Bert's been pushing. Bert's been pushing like a big dog. Top gainers in the last 24 hours is Kaspa GUA. I think we just looked at this. Khmer, Mambo, and Loser. AceBack, DMAG, Carl, and Cola. So let's see if we can do a price real quick. What do we want? Yeah, look at Conan. So Conan's down 15%. 001 USDT 00001. 24-hour trading volume 17,000. Holders 2,985. Moving forward, what do we look at? Let's check out Nacho. See what's going on with Nacho. Nacho's down 4.5%. 24-hour trading volume 75,000. Let me see. Click to buy. What else we want to look at? Let's try caspy actually. So caspy is down 2% on the day as well. For grins, let me see. Who is this? Casper the Friendly Ghost. Caspy is down 0.8% as well. So that's Caspy, Caspa. Actually, I should have been doing this price IMG. So we'll just check the price IMG numbers for today. Something they just added for Nacho. What is this? If it comes out, what the freak? That's weird. Why Nacho didn't come up? Yeah, it's down 15%. So basically the same information, just displaying it better. What happened with the Nacho though? That's weird. Let's see what Caspy's doing. Yeah, it might help if I spell it right. IMG Kaspi. So Caspy's down 2%, 25,000 trading volume, 2.3 billion. What is that? Million billion burned? Kaspi got on two new exchanges listings for free and a ghost wallet by next week. Awesome. Let's see if we can get the price IMG for Kaspi. Casper, actually. Down 0.8%. So let's check out a couple of videos. I wonder how long that video is playing. It kind of irks me. And that's weird because it's not even the right video. Stupid autoplay.
Today, Bitcoin.
Okay, let me see here. Let's finish this video from earlier.
No, institutions are right now. Institutions are not buying even Bitcoin and Ethereum. Why would they buy Kaspa? Main area of concern is, I just want to say, don't trust easily. Don't trust so easily on your crypto influencer. They all are here to make money. They all are here to make money. They got Kaspa at low prices. They are going to dump on you at $1, $1.5. They are going to dump you. Why would you wait for $5 to $10? There's no point on waiting. I just wanted to say this simple thing. You need to understand this. Kaspa is after.
Okay, that's weird. Let me get back to the KRC20 videos. Oh, man. What a day.
Of this year. So I think that could be a contributing factor. And I think the last thing that I want to briefly touch on is the correction in KRC20 meme coins. And this isn't to say KRC, these are all temporary things, right? When you look at KRC20 meme coins, when you look at the massive pump, we talked about some of these having 255x returns, some of these doing 2, 3, 10x within a couple of days. Everything has to correct. And obviously everyone freaks out and panics when corrections happen and FOMOs when the markets are all green and all signals say buy. But the thing is, everything has to have a correction. And when all of these happen at the same time, I think is why we're seeing such a dismal price action out of Kaspa. Nothing's changed technology-wise. I think these are all temporary factors that altogether are impacting the price. So when you look at something like a lot of these KRC20 projects, there's not really necessarily selling of Kaspa that's going on to buy these, but there are probably some people that do sell their Kaspa to be able to get into some of these meme coins and then also taking out their profits. So it is something that you have to be aware of, but seeing the fact that the majority of these projects down 11%, Conan down 8%, KDAO down 20%, Casper down 17%, Caspy down 8%. You're talking about some of the top projects based on market cap go down 12%. It is obviously going to have a negative impact overall. See Kaspa actually up 20%, which is exciting to see. But you see the majority of cryptocurrency projects being down today on Kaspa, which is also going to kind of flow over to the overall negative feelings and vibes, if you will, of the native Kaspa token. So overall, all of these things I think are temporary. I think in a lot of ways, what people look at here is all of these things combined probably give them a negative feelings and give them, this and the world's ending for Kaspa kind of reaction, but it is simply not the case. We've been here before. We've seen these retracements. These are going to continue to happen when Kaspa goes to $1 and we see it retrace down to 60, 75 cents. People are going to have the same kind of reactions when we're seeing Kaspa up here and people are freaking out. And, maybe the chart doesn't look like this, probably won't look like this, but people are going to be freaking out when the price of Kaspa corrects 30, 40% in the future, just like they did 6 months ago, just like they did a year ago, just like they did 2 years ago. It's simply the state of the market. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on what is causing the price action of Kaspa to be on more of the red side of the market. Leave your thoughts, comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, smash up a like. You enjoy content like this, consider subscribing. And until next time, guys, stay invested.
For Forex, and then I just kept holding it, and it's kind of, well, one, obviously I'm not a financial advisor, so I have no training on what to tell people to do or advise them on their money situation or what they should do. Obviously, I've been making Kaspa videos almost damn near every day for a year or over a year, and whether the price is 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, back down to 10 cents, and we've went back down to that 10-cent range a lot. So another thing,
do you ever feel like you're being watched? Hide your online life with Surfshark.
is my viewers all have needs, backgrounds, and goals. So yesterday's video had over 3,000 views. Just say that a few people watched it more than once because maybe they watched half of it earlier in the day. And
Okay, I guess the sound is not on. I don't know what's going on today, right? The TV, there's no TV on the background. That's actually on YouTube, which I don't even know where the YouTube video came from. So I don't know if it's the letter guys playing with us again, or they just don't want us to hear the KRC20 information. But for some reason, testing. There's no sound on the video. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? In the chat, let me know if you can hear me. Because I don't hear anything. I don't know what's going on here. What's going on today? But let me know if you can hear me in the chat. I can't hear anything on my computer. So I don't know what happened. I thought this was going to be an epic video. It looks like it's an epic fail. I don't know what happened. You can hear me? Okay. Can you hear the video? Can you hear the video?
Half later in the day, but just say there's 2,500 people, say there's 3,000 people to watch that video. They're all gonna, some people aren't even holding Kaspa. They're just sold out, or they don't even like the project, and they're just coming there to talk shit. And so when you look here, this is my viewers. So you can see right here in the last 28 days that 31% of the people are from the United States and 6.2% from United Kingdoms, 4.9% from Australia, 3.8% from Canada, 3.6% from Germany, 2.4% from Netherlands, 1.6% from India, Philippines, Slovenia, Indonesia, Japan, France, Brazil, Italy, Norway, Mexico, Belgium, and I make a dog go to the moon videos a few times, but maybe 4 or 5 videos this last month of that. But you can see, so someone in Mexico, which most of my viewership is in, basically 50% or whatever is in like Canada, the Western countries, different backgrounds, different needs. People are going to have a different amount of Kaspa. Some people watching my videos aren't even into Kaspa. Most are. and most are heavily into Kaspa, but some might only have 10%, some are gonna have 100%. And then you look at the ages. So, and I know I've seen people in chat that said they were under 18, so maybe YouTube can only really say that someone's 18, but in my chat, I've had some people saying they're like 16 and they had Kaspa. But someone that's, 18 is going to have different threshold than someone that's, 65%. And that's a smaller group. You can see mainly the average viewer kind of roughly is someone that's kind of near middle age or middle age. And most of my viewership is males. There's a couple percent of women. So out of this spectrum, you're looking at, I have people from different age ranges, and I have people from different countries. And even in those countries, there's going to be people with different backgrounds, and people have different amount of Kaspa, different goals. For me, I'm not a real big trader, so I'm not doing a lot of trading. I want to try to hold things over a year to get that smaller capital gains in the United States. So we all have different goals. So, with having viewers, a couple thousand different viewers with different ages, different countries, someone in India is going to have different goals than someone in Canada, even someone in the city in Canada. That person in Canada is going to have different goals and different thresholds. And so for me, all I can basically kind of cover is what I'm doing and I see, and where I'm going, and so I have kind of a, basically having most everything in crypto is high, risk tolerance. But then inside crypto, my largest holding is actually Bitcoin, because I just have kind of low risk tolerance in terms of that. And that's just me. I still got a lot of Kaspa, and I believe in Kaspa. And for me, my goal is to sell most of my Kaspa some point next year.
Computer's all kind of glitching today. I don't know what's going on. But let me get to this video
You
from
want to be focused on things that are going to become cults, brands, or movements. People are going to
this guy talking
have very
about
high rates of participation. You're going to have an army of schizos working for the coin 24/7, even, and you essentially have holder and labor for free. The best meme coins are emerging mini religions and need to be analyzed as such. I see them as financialized belief, and I see them as vessels collecting dissatisfaction, both within crypto, but also with the world at large. You are focused on technology, but the crypto industry is not a technology first.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on today, guys. This is just crazy, pure on madness. Let me
Industry. It's an
let the
asset
video
first
play.
industry.
What's up, crypto crew, and welcome.
I guess this is why we don't do
back,
afternoon
or if this is your
videos.
first time, I'm
This
Captain
is
Crypto
crazy.
Mind, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto oceans. If you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto crew, I love Kaspa. I'm a Caspian. However, I do hedge my investments. The vast majority of that hedge I've invested into meme coins. As of lately, I've reinvested some of my Kaspa into a dozen of KRC20 meme coins. Now, I've invested fairly conservatively, let's say about 5 to 7% of my Kaspa bag. The goal is to make quick profits short term and to take profits or reinvest into my Kaspa bag, especially since the price per Kaspa coin is as low as of the making of this recording. Shout out to today's exchange partner, Maxi. Not only a place where to get amazingly cheap Kaspa at low trading fees, but Maxi invites you to a special event, crypto crew. If you deposit and start trading on Maxi today, you could potentially earn 20,000 USDT. However, this offer won't be online for long. Secondly, Kaspa seems to make a bit of a recovery compared to a few days ago as we speak. So scooping up some Kaspa while the crypto ocean is down on top of Maxi's low trading fees for Kaspa can be profitable for you. Check out the Maxi event exclusive to your crypto crew. Sign up through my referral link and see what's on the other side for you. Now, speaking of Maxi, Maxi will list a couple of KRC20 tokens soon. The first one being GOAT, which has been quiet for a while, yet has now come out with his first tier 3 exchange listing representing that being Maxi. Congrats to the Go team and its meme coin, which I have invested in as it plays the frog narrative, the likes of Hoppy and Pepe, unlike those two, adding a layer of creativity being a white frog. The development of KRC20 meme coins is indicative of what is to come. Not only are we about to witness the ignition of the most parabolic bull run ever recorded in crypto history, on top of that, we may even see a specific run or runs, plural, for meme coins. Meme coin expert Murat Mahmudov said something I hope you take to heart. Listen closely, Crypto Crew.
The meme coin supercycle is not just a prediction about the future. It's already happening. These are the factors that I believe actually matter to catch the next outperformer. Community, poor people getting rich, perceived maximum upside, token distribution, attention, fairness, organic price discovery, focusing on new coins which can enter price discovery and avoiding old coins which have backholders, evangelism and community participation, no cabal and cabal having to buy at market, who the whales are, who the KOLs are, who's talking about this on social media. Obviously the concept and the meme itself, but it's only a small part of it, as you can see. The message, a good story, it needs to be a good narrative. You want people to want to be a part of that thing, that group, that movement, right? Inspiration. And notice how not a single one of these has anything to do with software or revenue. These are the factors that actually matter.
Now, I've witnessed firsthand what Murat Mahmudov is talking about. An example of this development is the Kaspa KRC20 meme coin. What stands out about many KRC20 meme coins is the community, because it makes the actual meme coin secondary. Kaspa has a community that seems to live out values such as helping people out, being generous, and caring. A fellow content creator by the name of Tommy Does Crypto suffered a crypto investor's nightmare by getting scammed over a Telegram, effectively losing all of his KRC20 meme coins. In my opinion, Tommy Does Crypto has done a fantastic job sharing updates on Kaspa and covering the KRC20 meme coins, including coverage on Kaspa. The Kaspa community caught wind of Tommy's loss, reached out and helped to relieve the loss a little bit. It created a bit of a snowball effect on X, which proves Kaspa's community is amazingly generous, living out true values that supersedes a quick flip or individual financial gains. This is one of the reasons why I've entered a competition hosted by Kaspa to help spread the Kaspa story so that people may get to know the Kaspa community and what it stands for.
I don't really remember what happened, but what I do know is that there was one really brave guy. He pulled me over to see how I was doing. Next thing I know, I woke up missing a leg. He paid for my operation with all of his hard-earned Kaspa. Not only did I survive, despite of his loss, he decided to adopt me.
And yes, to be transparent, the incentive that comes with this Kaspa competition is stimulating for sure. However, we at Your Crypto Crew truly enjoyed putting together our entry because we really enjoyed the unique story that is Kaspa. So if you want to get to know the Kaspa story or support Kaspa and myself, head on to my page on X, link in the comment section below. As an investment, Kaspa has done a near 100x for me, which was my first ever experience of such a parabolic rise. Yet, I don't think things will stop there.
What other cryptocurrency should you buy? What's the next Bitcoin? Well,
hopefully you'll realize the potential this new breed of meme coins have, Crypto Crew, especially these KRC20 meme coins, which are starting to get on exchanges, but not the tier 2 or tier 1 listings yet, not the mainstream adoption yet. So if you're watching right now, Crypto Crew, consider the fact you are so early to the game. Now listen to what Murat Mahmudov says in the next part.
You are focused on technology, but the crypto industry is not a technology-first industry. It's an asset-first industry. Even the name of this conference is Token 2049. Instead of tech, you should be focused on human condition, retail motivation, and asset distribution. You want to look out for those that want to be multi-cycle. You want to be buying those that are trying to be the next Doge, trying to build a long-lasting cult, trying to be a brand. And the word meme coin is a misnomer. It's only about 30% about the meme itself, and it's 70% about the people. What meme coins really are, they're tokenized communities which use the meme as their symbol and their banner. And there's going to be different flavors of them. The best PvE memes are going to be cults. What is a cult? It's a group of people that are extremely passionate about a cause. You know how culty Apple Tesla holders are. how extremely culty Bitcoin holders are. And I believe we're going to be seeing similar phenomena with memes. And so it doesn't actually matter if something is a tech alt or a meme coin. What actually matters is whether it's a cult. Most crypto outperformers have always been cults, both tech and non-tech. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, Chainlink, Dogecoin, SHIB, Tau.
Now, let's get rid of the religious stigma of the word and let's give a definition in the context Murat Mahmudov places the word cult. A cult, in a general, non-religious sense, refers to a social group that exhibits extreme devotion to an idea or thing, often characterized by unconventional beliefs or practices. Members typically show intense loyalty to control thoughts and emotions. According to that definition, I don't think that differs much from having conviction. Walk by faith and not by sight. You see, crypto crew, the bottom line is the bottom line, and I'm on the crypto ocean to make profits, and I hope you do too, crypto crew. That said, this new wave of meme coin communities, especially the KRC20 meme coin communities, are starting to create a shift, not just from an investor's point of view, aka how can I make a quick profit, but also it triggers me.
So you're saying Doc McLovin, what do you think about Goat Coin? It's called Goat. I keep hearing about it. I did see a Goat Coin. It is like Go. What is that? Something Godius Maximum or something weird. So I did see that, and I haven't had a chance to research it yet. So I don't know. Let me look it up and get back to you. I guess we can talk about it tonight if you guys are going to jump on tonight on the late night live. But I guess the internet's acting kind of weird. And let me know what you think about the KRC20 tokens. But I'm going to shut it down. I got a couple errands to run. And I'll be back on this evening at maybe not, what's today? Wednesday? Maybe 9. I might do a little earlier tonight, 9, or the regular time at 10, but probably 9 or 10 this evening. But let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite KRC20 tokens in the comments? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, let's get back to the money, guys. And as always, stay dangerous. Black Tiger Miner out.